Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial on how to sew a corner bookmark. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. We have the pocket, interfacing main fabric. Making sure your main fabric is right side down, place the interfacing on top. Then we're going to place the pocket, which I have folded in half to make the triangle shape. We're going to place this on top of the right side up main piece of fabric. Then we're going to make sure the other main piece of fabric is right side down on top of the other piece of fabric. Then we're going to clip this in place. Sew all the way around here and make sure you leave a gap at the bottom here. Once you have sewn this together, you can trim the corners and then turn this right side out. Now we have turned this right side out, we're going to press this to flatten it and then we're going to sew all the way around. And here we have our end result. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and alert button for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching.